the really popular influencer vloggers on Instagram and YouTube have 1 million plus subscribers and followers. They drive fancy Italian cars. Is this considered the beginner pack? The only In-N-Out that has ever closed down is the one in Oakland. People are getting their windows smashed up, their stuff stolen. This one's fairly new. I haven't been at an In-N-Out for a while. It's always so busy, but this one has a really big parking lot and it wasn't too much of a hassle to get into this one. $22 an hour. Let's see how much the price went up. In California, the minimum wage for fast food workers is $20 an hour. I know In-N-Out's always paid better than the other fast food places. And look at this line. Always a line here. And it's not even 3 o'clock yet. It's gonna get worse after 3 o'clock. Up to $25.50 an hour. Influencer starter pack. Inexpensive Italian car. Fast food. Someday I'll work my way up to a Ferrari. In-N-Out double meal. $11.26. Budget Italian car.